Alright, so the next video we're going to do for this vacuuming series is we're going to take this garage hose, or what used to be formerly the hose for inside the place. We're going to plug it into the unit here, and we're going to clean this step right here, this area rug, and the bare floor as well, including what we can get into the closet as well. Then we're going to take the electric hose here. We're going to use the power nozzle to clean this bathroom rug right here, and then we're going to take this bare floor tool. We're going to clean the bare floors of the laundry room here and the bathroom as well. I've already covered these two rugs right here, so we're not going to worry about doing that. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get going here. I could have used the electric hose to clean here as well, but I don't like using the power nozzle for this step in the area rug. I prefer to use this tool instead. Alrighty then. Also, not to mention, I also like to do some more video timing with this unit running as well. Doesn't really matter. Just kind of feels like it's not really getting anywhere on this floor. But with the brush on, it does help make it glide a little bit easier. Definitely, if you have wood floors, you should always have the brush kicked on. Anyways, now that we're all done with them here, let's go ahead and move on. One thing about this house I wish they should have thought ahead of time is because this electric hose requires a cord to turn the power head on, I have to get into like an extension cord to like plug this in, because it can't really reach all the way up here to plug that in, and this is the only closest outlet to this inlet valve. Alrighty, let's finish her up here. Alright. Looks like that's as good as we're gonna get. Okay, so if you're wondering what the noise is, it's dry right here. Fun little fact about this bathroom, there are actually 2 showers in here. I think it's pretty cool. Alrighty. Looks like that covers this part of the video. If you wish to see more video of this but with the GoPro or with the tripod, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.